Hi everybody, Kai here, and today I'll be walking you guys for a short 4-minute demo of my Microsoft Excel dashboard. So here, as you can see, is my complete dashboard in which I analyze all of the shark attack records in US history. So first, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so that we can get a full look. Perfect. So as we can see on right here, a pivot table that I created which break down the attacks by US states and territories, which I also use conditional highlighting for it. So for example, in the state of my favorite, South Carolina, there have been 150 recorded cases in history, and which account for almost 7% of the national grand total number of cases. To the right, as you can see, there are four charts, including two bar charts, which give us a sneak peek at the fatalities by age group and by gender, and two pie charts right here, which let us see the gender and age percentages of fatal cases only. So on the very left, I created free slicers, years, reason of attack, in states and territories. Now this is the fun part. This is how we can engage and interact with these visualizations. So for example, right now, as you can see, the slicers are completely untouched, which means that out of all years, of all reason of attack, of all states and territories, um, males account for 87% of all death caused by sharks. Now that's a lot. And beside unknown and unreported ages, young adults between the age of 18 and 35 and youth between the age of 12 and 18 account for more than a quarter of all death. Now let's change things up a little bit. I used to live in Hawaii for 3 years, and you can see right here Hawaii ranks second in the nation in a number of cases. So let's choose Hawaii. In the state of territories slicer, I'm gonna look for Hawaii. There we go. Now we're gonna select Hawaii. Now, what just happened? Did you guys just see that the charts were like automatically updated with data from Hawaii only? Now, how cool is that? So here, nationwide, Hawaii only. For reason of attack, I'm gonna go with unprovoked. So that means that out of all unprovoked attacks in the history of Hawaii, males still account for 91% of all death, and somehow unknown and unreported ages went up significantly higher. Next, I think I'm gonna unfilter reason of attack, and I'm gonna look for year. Personally, I'm interested in seeing the data from the early 1990s. So we're here we go. So here, how we're gonna do that is that first we're gonna select 1990, then multi-select, then 1991, 92, 93, 94, and 95. And here's the data of all early 1990s attacks in Hawaii. Males still top the chart, and so are unknown ages. My guess is that for deadly cases, it's a lot more difficult to identify the age of the victim rather than the gender of the victim. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my entire demo, guys. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys soon.